All right, next up tonight, after a quick dinner break, we have Bowman triple box break, number 29. Here's your teams. There's a lot of combos. Tim has Diamondbacks, Royals, Indians. Also, Tim has the Brewers, Mariners, Tigers. Erickson Jr. 300, Pirates, Rangers. Brink has Giants, Marlins. And we had a trade of the Rockies for Rays. All right. Let me resort this really quick. There you go. I know, they are way better looking. No one could argue that. That's not even an opinion. That's just a fact. Gorilla hands. You know what? The Tylenol worked.
Did it?
Yeah, I don't have a headache anymore.
Good.
How could it work that fast?
It always works fast.
Man. I was sure that ibuprofen was the one for me, but that was like, nah, I guess it was a while. I don't know when that was.
It's been a couple hours.
Was it really?
No.
No.
An hour and a half since you
Really?
took it.
Time flies. Yeah, I'm not really a tattoo guy. If I did tattoos, it would be my whole... I would do like the shoulder all the way down to the forearm. Like the whole thing. Yeah. I just don't... I don't see anything or think of anything that I'm like, I really want that tattooed. Not really against it, I just don't. Never thought of anything cool enough for me. Although when Charlie passes away, I am going to get a full-size Charlie face somewhere. My entire back is going to be Charlie's face. Just to remember him.
Charlie.
He's the best. Poor guy. We've been taking them for walks in the evening. Out to this park or whatever, and Charlie's freaking dead afterwards. He like can't even move for about 24 hours. It's hilarious.
How old is he now?
He's 13.
Wow.
But his heart's totally into it. He really wants to go every time, but he just overdoes it every time. Poor guy. No autographs yet. A minion. One tattoo. That's yeah. You gotta go for it, Jules. Doesn't count when you get like one little cat tattoo on your foot. It's not. I can do that. It's like what is it like? I don't know. Joe Davis. Look into what? Ryan Valad to $4.99. Wine bottle. Margarita sleeves. I don't even know what a margarita sleeve is. It sounds awesome. Can't even visualize what that would be. What is Ben talking about? What is this that no one wanted to do? Oh, a trade or something? Oh, some fantasy thing, maybe. I don't know what the heck they're talking about. Let's see an autograph. Ooh, it could be a blue one. It is. Harrison Bader, rookie blue. Tim. I know sleeves are your whole arm, but like, how do you do a margarita sleeve? Just like different, like a glass, like a pitcher, the sweet and sour, salt, just everything. Lime, salt, glass, the whole. Okay, I'm starting to be able to see it now. I bet somebody has that. Several people, yeah. All those friggin', what was the Margaritaville guy? There's thousands of those dumb tattoos, I bet. Oh, I see a redemption. Holy crap. Chi-Town's psyched right now. It is a Chrome Prospect autograph Robert. You did it. There he is.
Does he ever actually sign?
Yeah. Are they redeeming these? Anybody know? I haven't looked to see if there's any on eBay. What is the deal with Robert signing 18 Bowman? Night of the Robert. Night at the museum. Robert. No, they haven't come in yet? Oh. I just got a Bellinger Tops Fire thing that I bought from a person, a guy in town here, a million years ago. Walker Buehler. Oh, that's an atomic. Numbered. Hunter Green to $4.99. And Derek Hall. I'm going to try to ban this guy, but I hopefully don't. Oh, there we go. I didn't get you, Tim. Real funny guy. Derek Hall. Brink. Wasn't he okay? Bellinger from Tech. Garcia. You prude. Oh yeah, that was 3 autos. Okay. Something happened. There we go. Oh, boy. That poor wife.
More ghosts?
What?
More ghosts?
No, I don't think so. She just ordered... My wife ordered checks for our joint checking account, and they only have my name on them. She's pissed. Like, I don't even exist. I don't have any power. I don't think my name's even on the deed or the house. So I'm telling her, like, yeah, I've got you written off of everything. You have no power here. You have no power over me. He's like, I don't even know why I'm writing these checks. They're not gonna, and I'm like, yeah, they're just going to shred them. I won't even... I might. I don't know I did all this, but apparently I'm systematically taking control of our entire household. It's weird. I don't even... Just completely passively happened. It's probably for the best. Why try and fight it? Brendan McKay to $4.99. Oh man, I remembered something really funny the other day. You guys ever play a pickup basketball game? Or in like a men's league, like low-level men's league, where there's a guy on, either your team or the other team that does that thing where You'll be like dribbling the ball down the court, and the guy starts clapping like to pass it to him, but he's on the other team, and then you pass it to him, and he just like goes to the other end and makes a layup. That is the ultimate dumbass move of all time. God, it's the best. Like you're playing like everyone's wearing different clothes. Not like you even have uniforms, so you don't even know. Like you just get in a pickup game, you can't remember who's even on your team. That is the ultimate worst thing. That happened to my brother we were playing this pickup game. And he passed the ball to the guy, and he went down and made a layup, and I can't forget the look on his face of like, what? So funny. What kind of person does that? It's the lowest form of being a human that you can ever have. God, it's the best. Shane Baz. Yeah, they clap the ground with both hands when they play defense. Colton Welker, 250. The funniest thing is the way the way my brother was talking about it. Shane Baz is Pirates, right? Erickson Jr. He's like, we're playing a game that's basketball where we're not playing a game of who can trick someone into passing the ball to them. If we're playing that game, then you win. Oh God, so good. Zach Littell. Little base auto for the Twins. Hog Tank. Hog Tank's had some hits tonight. Friggin' people. It's mostly guys. Girls I don't think would do that. Guys are just so dumb. Sports playing adults. Middle-aged sports playing guys. Some of the dumbest people on earth. Sean Murphy, gold paper to 50. What's worse, doing that or stealing points cards off of YouTube? People's breaks. I think it's the same person, actually. That happened to me in hockey a few times, where people slap their stick on the ice behind me, and so I do a drop pass. Oh, Derek Hall purple now, Brink. They'll like, you know, the way you call for a pass in hockey, because you can't really hear anything, is you just kind of smash your stick behind a guy. And that means like, you know, pass to me. I did that one time, and the guy was behind me, and he just took the puck the other end. I was like, what? What a loser. It's just so pathetic. Bryce Harper to $4.99. Yeah, there's always fights in hockey. Man, men's hockey league. You are one pathetic loser. No offense. Fill out the jetway again. Shed Long. J. Frey. Shed Long. Base auto. Yeah, it's true. You know, I wasn't going to say it, but is Tarble listening? I don't want Tarble to get mad at me, but I played that one, you know, softball game where I broke my hand. And I was like, these guys are so freaking serious. I couldn't even do it. I'm never playing again. Even if I didn't break my hand, I don't know if I would have come back. They're like in the World Series, and it's a 40-year-old men's league. It's like, dude. Joe Adell to $4.99. That's so uncomfortable. I'd probably have to do the co-ed league. It seems like co-ed leagues, maybe they're a little less serious. Maybe not. Oh, God. You know what separates it? I figured it out, for me anyway. It's when the serious softball guy is the guy that says all those cheesy things like between innings, like, come on boys, we gotta get some runs, boy. Like all those kind of, God, they're so dumb. Like, I can't even think of them because they're so dumb. But they'll say like, you know, come on now. Like they'll do these like I don't even know what to call that. Like those little chants or whatever. Like they'll say hey at the end of a sentence. Let's get some runs, hey? Or stuff like that. You're like, nah, ugh. Please stop. Just talk like a person. Just try to hit the ball and maybe throw the ball.
How would they do that when they can motivate people?
So weird. Hey, I'll take one for the team. I'll break a hand for the team. Like Tim said. It's not like I'm not a team player. I don't need all that stuff. It doesn't do anything. That's the problem. If it actually mattered, if it did anything. Does it make you play better when someone does that? It doesn't for me. I go, ugh. Crab cakes and football. Jones is a hype man, so I see where he's coming from. Maybe if I knew the guys. Jones was on my team, I get hyped. Yeah, let's get a hit, kid. Tarvel's gonna see this video, he's gonna be like, oh, that asshole. Got him a spot on the team. He's so ungrateful. Some of the guys weren't that serious, but some of them were super serious. They won championships. It's true. I don't really care about winning a championship. It's just some men's softball. How would my life change if I won a men's softball championship? Clint Frazier to $4.99. Tarble rules, though. I love Tarble. He's the pitcher, too. I was wearing shorts. Regular shorts. I'm always wearing shorts. Unless it's freezing.
You do very rarely
Yeah.
wear shorts.
I hate pants. They're so constricting. Oh man, onesie. I was wearing shorts and a regular, you know, my standard Panini t-shirt. And I had some soccer cleats. I didn't even have softball cleats or baseball cleats. I bought some and they came the next day after I broke my hand. That was sad. Forrest Whitley to 150. I just want to hit the ball, really. Just throw the ball and hit the ball. It's so fun. Yeah, I had soccer cleats. Probably why I broke my hand. I stumbled on my damn soccer cleats. And a Mike Sharwin. Toast Malone on the board. Polo cleats. I had ice skates. I figured they would stick into the ground well enough. You should have seen me cutting out there. Michael Mercado to $4.99. Isabel Refractor for the Dodgers. They still have him. One-touch cards. He wasn't in the trade. Take him deep. Man, softball is fun, though. I do want to play. There's no way. Can't do it again. How long do I have to wait? A year? If I break my hand again in a year, that would be acceptable, right? That wouldn't be that bad. If I go back out there in a month and break my hand, no way. I couldn't do it. It's so fun, though. Oh, he was traded before the year started. He was never on the Dodgers. Jules, I'll do co-ed. I didn't even break my hand doing any. I just made a mistake. Just tripped a little bit. Yeah, exactly. Ruiz. K-Bear. Another Dodger. One touch. They're Dodgers in 18, Bowman? But he's still a Dodger. I fell in the outfield just trying to pick up a ball that was rolling like a mile an hour. There's nothing. I could have done that anywhere. I wear a glove all the time. Jose Trevino to 125. Yeah. Oh, is that the last pack? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we had a bonus hit. The Shane Baz, I guess. Jay Holiday, how many breaks have you gone without a hit? All right, Harrison Bader, blue rookie, Ruiz base, Isabel refractor, Mike Sharon, Shed Long, Derek Hall purple, Zach Littell, Shane Baz All-American, Derek Hall regular, Robert Redemption, and then here's all the numbered parallels. All of the 18 Bowman, jeez. You got like, well, there was 10 hits and 24 spots, so you got like a, what is that, a 40% chance or something? But then there was 2 Phillies and 2 Dodgers, and so, what happened? What happened? Maybe that needs to move down.